Since we finally got some sunny weather, my son and I decided to go out for a walk. We're walking in the Burloe neighborhood right now, and I noticed that there is a for sale sign in one of the neighbors' yards. And here's the thing, I had been planning on doing a video featuring the Burloe neighborhood, so I thought, you know what, now is just as good a time as any. And listen, you can tell that this...
Oh, guys, and I'm Jamie.
You can totally tell that this was unplanned because I've got my kid with me. There's cars driving by. And yeah, I'm in my mom gear. I'm out here in my mom walking gear.
We're going to the park.
Yeah, I'm not even wearing my cute shades. I'm wearing my old lady shades, my trifocals with clip-on sunnies. Yeah, don't laugh. Welcome back to my car. Same hat, different day. When we got to the park that day, there was just a little mishap on the playground that, you know, I just needed to turn off my phone and be a mom. So, I tell you what, there's nothing quite like mom life. It's something else, isn't it? So, anyway, getting back to Burloe. So Burloe includes over 150 homes, and in 2025, the average number of days that a Burloe home sat on the market was 16. That is 16. Just to give you a little bit of context, the average number of days that a home, just in Bartlett in general, sat on the market that same year in 2025 was 70. So that is 70. These Burloe homes, they were only lasting 16 days. So what makes Burloe so popular? I think there are 3 reasons for it. First is the community amenities, because the Burloe neighborhood has some amenities that other neighborhoods that were built around the same time and in the same area just typically don't have. Second, I think the location has a lot to do with it, because Burloe is in a very convenient location within Bartlett. It is close to just about everything. However, even though it's close to so much, it's still peaceful and serene. And then the third reason, I think, is because you can get a lot of bang for your buck when it comes to a home in Burloe. Hey, it is Future Mary here, and I was just about to tell you that that home that we saw at the beginning of the video is already under contract. However, between the time that I filmed that and today, not only has that home sold, but it is also closed, which means it's not available. Good news though, another home in Burloe just hit the market a few days ago. Not only does it have more square footage, but it also has a gorgeous swimming pool just in time for summer. And if you come by this Saturday, you will find me hosting an open house for that home. So Saturday, March 28th, 2 to 3 p.m. Y'all, I'm not the average agent. I don't throw the average 2-hour open house. So you got to get there and see that home. You got to get there quick. It is at 7423 Tina Cove, and I will see you this weekend.